Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I have an update on the whole Ruel Reid and Fritz Pinnock circus. Right? Now, some of you may remember, at least my regular subscribers will remember, when this whole thing went down, I made it clear to the Jamaican people, yard and abroad, do not get excited, do not get your hopes up, because this is likely a circus and nothing more than a gimmick, right? And now that there has been an update, a lawyer has come forward and has shown us why it is very likely Ruel Reid and Fritz Pinnock are going to bust the case. And this thing indeed was nothing more than one big puppy show to make the people them feel like Jamaica is taking a serious stance on corruption. I'm going to let you listen to the man, and then I'm going to get back to you with my commentary, and I'm going to go in on this one. So listen to the man, and then I'll get back to you people. Bless.
Talking about Mr. Fritz Pinnock and also Mr. Reid filed an application for leave for judicial review against the Financial Investigation Division, which is the respondent, in respect of the charges that were brought against them in the St. Andrew Parish Court some 2 weeks ago. The application seeks to quash the charges that were brought by the FID on the basis that the FID had no power to charge anyone under the Act. They are a purely investigative body. They have no jurisdiction to lay charges and to do what they did, and also to have said that they were seeking a fiat from the DPP to prosecute these charges. They have absolutely no jurisdiction to do that. So we are saying that the entire proceedings that they initiated against the applicants, those proceedings are a nullity. That the charges will be quashed. We are seeking to have them quashed in the Supreme Court on the basis that the FID exceeded its jurisdiction. When one looks at the FID Act, it is in similar terms to the Indicom Act, where Indicom is a purely investigative body. And in fact, our Court of Appeal, which I have the case in front of me here today, our Court of Appeal indicated in clear and uncertain terms that Indicom did not have the power to lay charges and to arrest anyone. A similar approach applies in relation to the FID Act. The FID is a department of the Ministry of Finance. It has no prosecutorial function. It is purely investigative of financial crimes. Whenever they do their investigation, they have to turn it over to the relevant persons who must make the determination if any charges are to be laid. But
as my granny used to say, chicken Mary out the near. People, run your mind back to when the initial so-called raid went down. What was one of the first things I picked up on? I said Fritz Pinnock body language, his whole behavior, the way Oma talked to the Mocha man them, none of that suggested to me that is a man who think is going to do a single day behind bars. And when I did the video and warned and asked the people, don't get too caught up, right, in thinking that this actually mean anything. A lot of people come over here, oh, Sir P, you get buyout. Sir P, you're not getting a credit. Why you won't give Mocha and give FID credit? Credit? What kind of credit? Did you sell credit? Flow? What? Verizon? T-Mobile? What kind of credit? Credit for what? People, I don't just come over here and just waste your time, you know. A lot of the things I'm telling you is because of things I've seen with my own two eyes. Things that haven't even reached YouTube. The average Jamaican cannot even begin to comprehend the level of corruption in Jamaica. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know people are going to say, yeah man, Sir P, I know Jamaica have a lot of corruption. No. Yeah, you know Jamaica have corruption. But if you even understood the level of how far it really go. Listen to me, man. when I say I don't have a lot of faith in bodies like MOHA and FID, it's not because I'm going after the people who work down there. I'm sure a lot of these people might actually be people with good intentions. I'm sure a lot of these people might actually want to see Jamaica change. But these bodies were set up as a puppy show. People, you hear what the man just said a while ago? FID is a part of what? The ministry of what? If you didn't hear, go run back the tape. If FID comes under the Ministry of Finance, these bodies were set up by politicians, by political bodies. By that very nature, they cannot be trusted to do and carry out certain acts, even if the different individual staff might have good intentions. But you think politicians are going to set up nothing for bring down politicians? Come on. You hear what the man say? FID does not have the jurisdiction for bringing a case against the man. Right? Do you really believe that FID don't know them own regulations? You think FID and MOHA them don't know, or the FID don't know their own, the limits to what they can do? Just like how Indicom cannot prosecute nobody, it's the same way FID can't prosecute nobody. So why was FID given the task to bring case against man? I'll tell you why. You see, when them create this big circus, this one bag of hoopla, bring charges against Real Read and people clap them hand, yay, progress, success. Then down the road, when the actual legalities come to the front and case start get thrown out because they never even have the authority to do that in the first place, then people can go, well, we tried. Well, we did attempt, but it just never worked out. So what you want from we? That's what them can say now. Them can say, well, you know, we did put in the investigation and we did do the work and you saw the big raid we do. You never see the raid? Yeah man, big raid. What more you want from we? Them can't say that now. The thing was a puppy show from the start. These people have access to every single piece of legislation. Them know everything down to the T. And them still make a rookie schoolboy mistake like this. Come on. People. I wonder if you realize what we just witnessed. The man them probably gonna bust the case, you know? Rural Read, Fitch Pinnock. Them very liable to bust the case. This thing might get thrown out. It seems like it's going to get thrown out. If what this man is saying is accurate to the T, them now have no case. Right? It's just like, oh, for example, you see, if police go in a certain people property without a warrant and then find something, right? Let's say police dig up something for you, right? Without a proper warrant and then find a machine, for example. When it reach certain place, you know, and their lawyer say, Your Honor, them never have no warrant, you know it's the case to get thrown out. Even when them find something, you know, even when them find the machine, if them never have the proper paperwork to begin with, if they never had the jurisdiction to begin with, right? People, case dash way. It's like in the United States, if you cross over the border and go down south, next country, you can't go over there go hold on upon the man, no matter where you catch him with. Just the fact that he is no longer in your jurisdiction, you have to let go the man. This is what is happening right in front of us. And this one beggar circus was going on. So when I tell you, people, calm down, don't get your hopes up until you actually see them in them overalls or walk through the gates of Horizon or GP. Do not get excited. I don't just talk for talking sake in the people. So there you have it. Make you see it play out. I'm waiting to hear the response from FID. Because I want to know how them are going to answer this. Because if them can't give us a serious explanation, people, as I said, FID has no more credibility. If they make a schoolboy, kindergarten, grade 1, basic school, error like this, they have no more credibility. And no matter of fact, it wouldn't even be an error. It would be a deliberate attempt. Right? So we're going to sit back and watch how this one play out. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.